Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and I hope you will be able to understand the difference, but if not, let's go and create a bar chart. Alright, now let's add the dimension, which is a product subcategory, add the measure, which is sum of sales. Here we have the descending order, right, of the chart. I hope you have got this one. So now let me go back to the sorting, and over here the sum of sales, let me disable that. And as you can see, by default it is sort numerically and descending, so let me change it to ascending, and now the chart is in the ascending order, right? So that's our first condition. Now let me try to do the same thing over here. I will just click over here, come over sum of sales, remove this, chart sort numerically, descending. But as you can see, it is not descending order, right? If it would be in descending order, then this bar would be first, it would be second, and this would be third. If I try to change it, it will not happen, and it might have confused you that, okay, what is really going on? And that is what I really wanted you to observe, that what happens when you apply sorting in here as compared to this. So what basically happens, and as per the Qliksense documentation, if the number of categories over here is less than 10, then it will be a default ordering as per the data source lot. I'm sorry, the numeric alphabetically. But if it is more than 10 or more than 10 categories, then in that case you can actually go and apply the ordering as per your needs. So that's the difference I wanted you to understand, and so that you are not confused when you are actually producing it and spending countless number of hours just to try to understand why in case where you have 5 categories you are not able to sort the chart. So that's pretty much it, and I will meet you in the new video, the new topic.